Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Fiat 500 air filter. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new air filter. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any maintenance. The air filter housing is typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This simple task improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's access the filter. Use your screwdriver to loosen and remove the retaining clips or screws securing the air filter housing cover. Gently lift the cover away from the housing. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly install the new one. Be careful not to drop any screws into the engine bay. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful car maintenance tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the cover off, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Before inserting the new one, take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the housing. This ensures a clean seal. Now, place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and in the correct orientation, just like the old one. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back onto its base. Ensure it aligns perfectly. Refasten all the retaining clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. A secure fit prevents air leaks. Finally, give everything a quick check to confirm it's all properly assembled.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.